Hello everyone, I'm Tommy Robinson, and this video is in collaborations with my good friends at Parks View. I just got home from a great day on the lake. I was out on Lake Erie in the middle of nowhere, having a great time. But when I got ready to come home, I had a problem. I had an electrical problem, which prevented my depth finder from coming on. But lucky for me, I had some tools on board, and I highly suggest everyone carry these tools as well. I was able to repair it because my fuses had blown, and my line had come disconnected from the battery. So I had all the different connectors I needed here to reconnect it to the battery, and I suggest that everyone carry these items on board. I also had some heat shrink tubing to properly connect those wires back together, and I was able to get it going. I used a cigarette lighter for the heat shrink, and I had some pliers, wire strippers, to strip my wires. It's very important that you keep tools like this on board so that you don't have a bad experience or left out there after dark. I was able to take my time, get everything connected, and I was able to navigate. You say, well, your depth finder is not a big thing. Yes, it is. Lake Erie is a big lake, and you don't really have any landmarks to help you because some areas out there, you just can't see any land. So I'd like for everyone to go to parksview.com. They have all these parts available. Extra prop nuts, all type of connectors, line connectors. Have all your fuses, even your glass fuses. And it also has heat shrink tubing. That's something you should use when you reconnect your wires so that they don't touch each other. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please go to parksview.com, hit the subscribe button, and give us a big thumbs up. Thanks for visiting with us today.